Hello, my name is Breda.
And I'm Christina.
And this is Vivera Growers. Today we just wanted to start our second video of our color series. Today, as you can see, we are doing some oranges and some yellows. And yeah, we're just going to go over some plants. So this one behind me is called the Thralis. This one can get 4 to 6 feet. It's a great perennial. Loves that full sun. The more flowers. You can keep it a little bit tighter if you need. You can give it a little bit of a trim, keep it fuller and tighter, or you can let it go wild. Up to you. This next one I have is this hibiscus. It's a tropical hibiscus called the Fiesta hibiscus. And it is a great tropical container plant, or it's great in the ground if you really, really want to protect it. But it will need that protection in the winter time. As you can see, it gives you these beautiful flowers, and it's a great container plant. This one over here is the Solar Flare Tacoma. This is another really great perennial. It gets about 3 to 4 feet. Another one that likes the full sun, and the hummingbirds lose their minds over it.
And over here we have lantana. So lantanas are really great for pollinators. Whenever the butterfly migrations are coming through, they absolutely love any color of lantana, and we have many colors here. And also bees love this guy too. So it's really great for pollinators if you're trying to attract them into your yard. This one is called the Lantana Flame. So as you can see, it has a lot of reds, kind of red oranges and yellows to it. And it's a mounding variety of lantana, so it's going to get about 2 by 2 feet tall. And back here, we have the Lantana New Gold. So this is a trailing variety of lantana that's going to get about 18 to 24 inches tall and about 3 to 4 feet wide. So it's really going to give you a spread if you're trying to cover some area. Right over here, we have the Esperanza. So this is a Texas native, and it's also called Yellow Bells. We consider it a perennial over here, and it's going to get pretty big, about 4 to 6 feet tall and wide. Can kind of grow out in different directions. So if you're going to want to contain it, definitely give it a trim. I think it would really benefit the plant, and you're going to get a lot of blooms all summer long, up until the first frost, and then it's going to come back every year as a perennial for you.
And next week, we're going to do our next video, so there's going to be more colors to see, more flowers to see. So let us know which one was your favorite, or if you have any ones that you want to see in the next video, please leave a like and a comment, and maybe a subscribe. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.